How can an online salon booking system with deposits help your salon secure more reliable client appointments? In this video, I'll show you how to use the TimeTailor salon appointment software to set up deposits, protect your income, and grow your salon business. So in order to be able to enable our deposits in the TimeTailor salon scheduling software, we're going to start to go into settings and then into bookings. And here we're going to see deposits. So what we're going to do is go on edit, turn these on, and you can choose between two types of deposits, either percentage or fixed amount. Fixed amount means you can choose to set a fixed amount, let's say $10. That can be your deposit. So regardless of the total value of the booking, the deposit would be $10. Or percentage, where you can choose to set, let's say 50% of the total sum of the booking as the deposit. Another thing that you can set here is if you want to give your customers the option to pay the full amount up front. So we're going to leave this on as well, and we're going to save. And now let's go and test this out in the booking flow. Let's create an appointment. Let's say I want a women's haircut. We're going to click Continue, choose a date, and fill in the details. And here, as you can see, if you choose to pay at the venue, you will have to pay a deposit of 50% of the total booking sum. Or you can choose to pay the full amount of the booking upfront. So let's say we're going to go with the full amount. Let's confirm the payment now. Let's go and see how this shows up in the TimeTailor Salon software dashboard. So let's go to Financials, and here you'll be able to see we just had a successful transaction. You can see here all the details. That's how you can use the TimeTailor online booking system with deposits to reduce no-shows, boost salon income, and simplify your online salon appointment system. And if you're new, sign up to get your first client booking today.